Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use XMedia Studio. To begin, launch the application and create a brand new project. You will then import all your media files, including videos, images, and audio, directly into the project library. It is a good practice to organize these assets into clearly labeled folders. This helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace throughout your entire editing process, saving you valuable time. Now that your media is imported, it is time to start editing. Simply drag and drop your video and audio clips onto the timeline to arrange them in the correct order. Utilize the trimming tools to precisely adjust the beginning and end points of each clip. You can also split longer clips into smaller segments, allowing for more detailed adjustments and the removal of any unwanted sections. To elevate your project, explore the extensive effects library within XMedia Studio. You can apply various visual enhancements, such as color correction or artistic filters, to individual clips. Introduce smooth transitions between your video segments for a professional and seamless flow. Remember to adjust audio levels, incorporate background music, and add sound effects to create a truly immersive and engaging experience for your viewers. Once your masterpiece is complete, it is time to export your final project. Navigate to the Export or Render option in the File menu. Here, you will select your desired output format, such as MP4 or MOV, and adjust the quality settings to meet your needs. Finally, specify the destination folder on your computer where your finished video will be saved, ready for sharing with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.